One of the things that happens when you play with yo-yos is your string gets out of adjustment. It gets too twisted or too untwisted. And this happens to everybody. You can see it's happening to me right now. There are several different ways to deal with it. The simplest one is to take the string off your finger, let the yo-yo do its little hula dance until it's done, and you're ready to go back. But now that you've got a fancy yo-yo and you're kind of fancy, you can do it in fancier ways. There are several different ones you can do. I often will throw the yo-yo down and just pop it up and get a couple twists off the side of the string one way or the other to either twist it or untwist it. And then a fancier method is you can do a split bottom entry, your finger underneath, over the top, off to the side, and you can get some string adjustment there. Both ways are pretty cool, and it's easy to do it on the fly. Flying saucer is easiest to do with a responsive yo-yo. You can do it with an unresponsive one, but it's just a little bit trickier to get out of the trick. So I'm going to show you with a responsive. The way it looks is like this. And you can do it in either direction. Throw it to the right or throw it to the left. You can pick up the string or not. And the way that you do it is you throw the yo-yo down just like you're throwing a regular power throw, but instead you throw it at an angle. So you throw it off at an angle about like so. You get your hand up above the yo-yo, let the string start to flutter, you pop it up in the air, then bring your hand out so the string is straight, and as it starts to wind up, bring your hand toward the yo-yo. It all happens pretty fast. As you practice the flying saucer, the string will get more and more twisted. So you have to alternate the direction that you do it. And the rule of thumb is righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. If I throw the yo-yo to my right, the string will get tightened up. If I throw it to my left, it'll get looser. So now, I'll do it to my left side, and the string is back to a neutral twistiness.